Okay, guys, we're here. Week 8, the very last week of school. And for you guys in particular, you're probably gonna like what you're gonna see. I did put this up last night. I put up kind of the skeleton of our week, and then today I'll kind of explain a little bit better. So, week 8, the last week. Let's kind of just look into it here. For you guys, it's a free week. Okay, you guys have done enough for me in the past many weeks to warrant a week off to focus on maybe some other classes that are a little more rigorous, maybe some math, maybe some science. Because I think you got everything that we needed to cover. We covered all the units we needed to cover. Maybe not as in depth as we would have loved to, but that's okay. I think you guys still got the bare bones or the things you guys actually need for real life. I know when you guys were responding to me, many of you had some really good answers that kind of made me feel confident. Obviously, others of you, your answers made me a little suspect, made me kind of feel a little worried. But I know you guys are all smart guys and girls, and you'll be okay. So here's what it says, guys. Last one. It says, congrats on making it to your last week. There's no assignment this week, as you recall from last week's video. I did say that last week would have been the last week with an assignment. So good luck finishing your last week strong in your other classes. Remember, though, that last Thursday, the 14th, 5/14/20, was the last day to turn in late work for points. So anything turned in beyond 5/14, it's not going to count. Okay, so you had 8 weeks, I guess, to do stuff, and if you waited till week 7.5 to do stuff without contacting me, without letting me know that there's a specific situation at hand, then you're kind of out of the ball game on that one. All right, so nothing turning beyond that point will count. Final grades will be posted the 26th, not this Tuesday, but next Tuesday. Grades are due, so you'll see it by then. And if I don't touch base with you at any moment, if we don't interact between today until Friday, just have a fun summer, guys. It looks like things are kind of opening up, so we might be able to have somewhat of a normal summer. So I hope you guys go out there and enjoy it. If you have any questions, guys, as always, email me. It's a great way to contact me. Obviously, I'm working 8 to 4 like everybody else, so if you contact me within that time slot, I'll be readily available to answer your questions. But awesome year, guys. I had a blast with you from trimester 1, trimester 2. Trimester 3 was kind of a shaky and a goofy one, but I think we had I enjoyed my time. I had a lot of laughs in our class. I think we got a lot of stuff accomplished. So be proud of yourselves. Good luck. And I guess when I see you guys next, many of you will be seniors. So that's cool. But that's all I got. Talk to you guys later.